Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to unblock your Canara Bank ATM card in 2025. If you've ever been stuck with a blocked card due to wrong PIN entries, suspicious activity, or even a simple oversight, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. This is especially relevant with the latest banking updates, so let's get started. First things first, understand why your card might be blocked. Common reasons include entering the wrong PIN multiple times, reporting it as lost, or security flags from unusual transactions. Start by checking your account status. Log into the Canara Bank mobile app or website using your credentials. Look for any notifications or alerts about your card status. This could save you time. Next, if you confirm it's blocked, contact Canara Bank's customer service. Dial their toll-free number, which you can find on the bank's official website or the back of your card. When you call, have your account details ready, like your account number, registered mobile number, and any OTP they might send for verification. Be polite and clear about the issue. They'll guide you through unblocking it over the phone if possible. If phone support doesn't work, try using the Canara Bank mobile app. In 2025, the app has enhanced features. Head to the Card Services section, select your ATM card, and look for an Unblock option. You'll need to verify your identity, perhaps with a biometric scan or OTP, and follow the prompts. This is often the quickest method. If all else fails, visit your nearest Canara Bank branch. Bring your ID proof, like Aadhaar or PAN card, and explain the situation to the bank executive. They can unblock it on the spot after verifying your details. Remember, always prioritize security. Avoid sharing sensitive information over unsecure channels. Once your card is unblocked, test it at an ATM or for online transactions to ensure everything works smoothly. And hey, to prevent this in the future, always keep track of your PIN and monitor your account regularly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one.